of the day. Sonam Wangchuk, through his wife Gitanjali, has released a handwritten letter. This letter has been posted on his social media platform, in which Sonam Wangchuk has linked his fight to India's second freedom movement. He has even said that there should be huge support for the march to Parliament tomorrow and has asked people to make it a huge success. In the letter that you can see on your screens right now, this is the letter that Sonam Wangchuk has written, and this has been released on his social media platform X. There are multiple other developments that are coming to the fore. Sonam Wangchuk is hospitalized and he is under constant medical care. But he has in fact refused IV fluids, but doctors are constantly monitoring his health. So the letter says, and I quote, 28 July, Azadi ka dusra andolan, Bhaimukht Bharat. So this is what the letter says. He's been sent through Gitanjali from my illegal detention at Safdarjung. So look at the messaging here. Sonam Wangchuk, who was taken to the hospital yesterday, has now called his hospitalization illegal detention. He says this is, look at this as India's second freedom movement, march to Parliament, and please make it a big success. Then he says we are fighting for freedom from injustice, which is paper leaks. Then he says we are fighting from fear, which is my illegal detention. Currently, Sonam Wangchuk is at the Safdarjung Hospital. 28 July, Azadi ka dusra andolan, Bhaimukht Bharat, Anyay Mukht Bharat. So this is the message that is coming from Sonam Wangchuk. That is the letter that has been written. With that, let's give you another update that's coming in. Sonam Wangchuk's wife too has moved the High Court, and she's moved the High Court alleging illegal detention. Like we've been telling you, both Sonam Wangchuk and his wife say that his hospitalization at Safdarjung is akin to illegal detention, where Sonam Wangchuk has refused any IV fluids, and now the wife is raising questions on the way the treatment is currently going on. Kritika, my colleague, is with us. Kritika, what's the latest medical update when it comes to Sonam Wangchuk? What have the hospital authorities said? There is 24-hour medical care and monitoring that's ongoing, but Sonam Wangchuk has refused IV fluids. The wife is raising questions on the way the treatment is currently going on.
Right, in fact, technically today is Sonam Wangchuk's 22nd day of his hunger strike, because he has continued to refuse any sort of oral rehydration or intravenous fluid or even any electrolyte therapy as well. Now, as far as his health parameters are concerned, the medical team comprising doctors from both Safdarjung Hospital as well as AIIMS say that while his vitals are stable, he is in fact today showing reduced blood health parameters, and that is why they have in fact recommended and are constantly counseling Mr. Wangchuk to in fact take up adequate medical intervention, which does mean taking up IV fluids or electrolyte therapy as well, which again has been refused by both Mr. Wangchuk as well as his family. They have not consented to such a treatment so far. The hospital has also stated that his situation, because of prolonged fasting, warrants constant round-the-clock medical monitoring as well, and this is why they will not be discharging him. Now, this is in a direct contradiction to, in fact, the allegations that are coming in from the side of Mr. Wangchuk's wife, Ms. Gitanjali, who has since yesterday stated that Mr. Wangchuk's health does not warrant any sort of hospitalization, and even if that is the case, then he should be discharged and the family should be allowed to in fact lodge him or to admit him into the hospital of their choice. Now remember, even as all of the back and forth over his health continues, what is constant from the side of Mr. Wangchuk as well as the leaders of the CJP protest is that they are steadfast on ensuring that tomorrow's march, which was supposed to be till the Parliament, gets in fact initiated at the scheduled time of 9 a.m. This is coming in even at a time wherein, as per Delhi police sources, no fresh in fact permission for this march currently has either been sought or granted. Over to you.
So right now, in the latest, we know that no permission has been sought, but from Sonam Wangchuk to members who are protesting at the Jantar Mantar, the call is just this, that we should march to the Parliament and we should make the march success. Thank you so much, Kritika, for getting us the updates. With that, it's time for us to shift into, to take a short commercial break. Stay with us. We'll be back with more news and updates.